Hi, I'm Barry. This is Mega City Gaming, and this is another unboxing. Kill Team. Yeah, you got it. I'm on the Games Workshop train. Right. So this is Krogskulls Boyz. As you can see, they are Orks. Orkses, I tell you, they're Orkses. And if you look on the back, comes with a bit of terrain, which is like a crane, and a really nice crane, and some other vehicle, and some miniatures and some cards and all kinds of stuff. Let's have a look inside. The plastic's been unwrapped because I know the guy in GW, he doesn't mind taking the plastic off and letting people have a look inside. So that's what he obviously did with this box, and let's have a look. Right, this way up, of course. It's another sliding out drawer kind of thing. Right, what do we got? We got brown sprues, two brown sprues at the top, which is the terrain pieces. This will be the large crane thing. This, apparently, I was told, this circular bit can fit on top of the munitorium. I can't remember what it's called, but like some circular bit of terrain. It can fit on there and become modular piece of that munitorium, but it doesn't have to. And this will be the smaller thing. Again, really nice, strong, hard plastic, as we can expect. Right, and then we got the green sprues. We've got 3 green sprues and 5 bases. Right, let's start with the top one. Obviously these are the Orks. Some weapons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe weapons. I'm not sure if this one comes with extra options. Yeah, it must do, because on this one there's some other options. So yeah, I reckon it comes with options. I reckon, my limited knowledge of such things. So left arm, right arm. So right, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 right arms so far. 6, 7, 8 right arms, and these look like I don't know, generic flamers. I've never played Orks in 40k. I've painted some for other people, and I've painted some for myself. I have actually got a bunch of Orks, but they're not Primaris Orks. They're probably about half the size of these. Games Workshop Orks, of course. Space Orks, but they're old school and probably a lot smaller. Still usable, but they don't look quite as good next to the good stuff. Right, I'm getting the cutter knife. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Right, we got cards, same as the other kill teams, and a booklet, same as the other kill teams. And this looks like a mission. Is it a mission? Right, let's have a look. What have we got? What do we got? We've got these tactic cards. Orks tactic. Use this tactic when you choose for a model to shoot with a burner, which I guess is a flamer. The burner makes D6 attacks instead of D3 this phase. Right. Pretty cool. Right, there's that one. And then we've got the stat cards. So the first one I see is Gruck Flame Splitter or Spitter. Burner Boy. 5-inch move. 3 up weapon skill. 6 up save. This weapon can be used as a ranged weapon and a melee weapon when making shooting attacks or firing Overwatch. Overwatch? Yeah, Overwatch. Which means, yeah, in this game, in Kill Team, Overwatch is a reaction shot when something charges you. Or firing Overwatch with this weapon. Use the ranged profile. When making close combat attacks, use the melee profile. Okay, and it's got melee. -2, 1. Yeah, I'm not. Is that strength? So, stick bomb, 6 inches range. Okay, yeah. So, strength 4, ranged. Yeah, strength 4, armor piercing 0. D, I guess that's damage 1. And this weapon automatically hits its target. Melee, strength user, which is 4, armor piercing -2, and damage 1, and no special thing, and then the stick bomb. Right, okay, got it. Awesome. And then we've got 2 of these. Narrative play and match play missions. So one of these each, from what I've seen on the internet and read little of the rulebook, narrative is each opponent has a different objective, and then match play, each opponent has the same objective. So so you can play either. I'll probably play both. Narrative being my favourite, but you know, match play is also good too. And then we've got these. Alright, I'm not sure what these counters are, but we've got counters. We've got, of course, how to put these together, including the crane, which I guess isn't as simple as some of the terrain pieces in Kill Team. And then we have the book, which as far as I know is all narrative, giving you a background, some really nice pictures, yeah, some history. So basically, if you pick up this box and you want to play Kill Team, but you've never played 40k, or you're not really interested, or never had any experience of the history, it's all in here. Not all, but it will give you a very nice introduction. So that each Kill Team has this book, right? Because I thought, oh, it's a codex, but it's not. It just has codex. No, it just has the fluff in it. Fluff. Anyway, that's it. To me. So that brings my Kill Team up to 5. I've got 5 Kill Teams now, plus Tau, which I had from the previous Kill Team. I don't actually know what I've got in Tau. I've got a big box full of Tau. Too many. So anyway, so 6. I've got 6 Kill Teams now. 6. So that's good. That's good. I'm ready to play. I've just got to put it together and paint it. So watch this space. Like, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much.